Even you are 40, you still can be motherhood. This is because Chinese medicine can help. It is succeed. As a report, women 40s have baby in recent years, double increasing. Obviously, when you are 30, you have 75% chance to be natural conceived during 1 year. After 40, you have only 44 chance in 1 year being natural conceived. These reasons are so simple because hormone system gradually declined. In generally, fertility function only have life between 25 to 40 years. After 55, your period automatically stop. How does Chinese medicine can help this situation? Let's go to Johnny, give you information. As a traditional Chinese medicine, it's a holistic approaches. Principle is yin-yang balance. We consider your fertility function can improve by unblockage energy channel, force vital qi flow. This will be leading regulation your period, regulated and improve quality eggs release in each month, improve environment to easily implantation and grow embryo. There are several services that we recommended to you. Number 1, acupuncture. Mainly function is unblockage energy channel, force vital qi flow. This vital qi include yin, yang, qi, and blood, stimulation and generate new blood, provide quality eggs. Number 2, Moxibustion. Moxibustion mainly function to warm energy channel, release the qi stagnant and blood stasis, increase your period blood, improve your yang energy level. Yang energy level is sun. It's like to discipline cold and dampness in the fertility organs, benefit for implantation and embryo. Number 3, Reflexology is a major stimulation in fertility organs, force this your period regulation and increase eggs quality. Number 4 is herbal medicine, herbal tea and herbal product. Each herbal prescription combine 10 to 15 ingredients, each 2 to 5 different ingredients combine to bring team help a different fertility function. If you have poor eggs with often tired, heavy period or light period, period cycle become delayed, cold hand and feet, your tongue is light pink, sometimes big body size, or tongue side have teeth mark. This is yang deficiency condition. To improve eggs quality, we used 枸杞子、欧味子、吐司子、覆盆子、女贞子。Herbal product we used woman's life powder. As generated new blood, we used 桃仁、红花、硬毛草、当归、黄精。Herbal product we used 四物汤、桃红四物汤、Radiola. As increase young energy level, we use red GinSen, 黄芪、白术、仙茅、仙灵皮。Product we used cold GinSen, red GinSen, 桂枝汤。For stress relief and liver qi stagnant, we use 柴胡、佛手、白芍、合欢皮。Herbal product use 逍遥汤、加味逍遥汤。For indeficiency, we used 女贞子、汉莲草、生地、白芍。Herbal product we used 六味地黄汤、cordyceps. For eggs poor quality due to overweight, body will be fat. This is dampness obstruct fertility channel. your period can be heavy or absent, we will focus to remove dampness to improve fertility function. It's not only to improve eggs. We use herbal ingredients such as 薏苡仁、白术、决明子、皂角刺、泽泻 herbal product like 森林白术汤、人参健脾汤。Through this journey, you will be learning that Chinese medicine have multi-service can help your generally whole body function and fertility organs function as well. This is give you bigger opportunity, can help. So anyway, if you want help, you're always welcome.